Hello everyone, welcome back to 3 Minutes of Pandas series. In today's episode, we will see merge and concat operation. Using these operation, we can deep dive into data. We can connect the different sorts of data, different tables into one table, and then we can deep dive our analysis. So let's move further. So this is my first data set, and if I will run, I'm having name, age, gender and income column, and I'm having John, Emma, Michael, Sarah and William, and their individual age, gender and the income. Now my second data set will have only two columns, name and city. So we will first look into the merge. So for merge we will write pd.merge and df1 and df2. So df1 is my first data set and the df2 is my second data set. Now automatically when we write df1, the first argument will be a left table and the second argument will be the right table. We can use df2 and df1 also if we want to join from df2 and df1. Now the third argument is we are telling to the pandas is on equals to name. So we are joining these two data frame on name column. So if I will run here, so you can see, so by default this will run since we have not mentioned any join. So by default it will take inner join, and if you see here, John and Emma from the second table are matching with the first table. So that is why it is there is only two data. Now if we want to see the left join, so in left join the function will be same, and there is one more argument will be adding here, how equals to left. So if I will run here, you can see here the city column where we don't have, in second table we don't have the Michael, Sarah, William details. If you can see here, Michael, Sarah we don't have it, but Daniel we have second table, but our left table was not having the Daniel, hence it is not showing into the left join. Now as same as the right join, so we in how we need to mention the right join, and if I will run here, you can see there's it is showing only 3 records. Since I'm having in my data set 2, I'm having 3 records only, and it is showing John, Emma, Daniel and the responding details. Now for the outer join, I am having the argument how, and I am mentioning outer, and it will take all of the data from all of the rows from the first table and all of the rows from the second table. And if you can see, if the data is not present in the first, if not matching, then it is showing nan values. Now moving ahead with the this is the outer join. Now moving ahead with the concatenate function. So concatenate function help us to join the data vertically and horizontally. So this is my data set first, where I'm having same name, age, gender, income, and my data set second. Now here also I'm having name, age and income, and gender also. So if you can see, gender also. So we have 4 columns. Now if we want to concatenate data set vertically, so we need to mention ignore so we can do it by only providing pd.concatenate and df and df2, df1 and df4 in my case, and ignoring index is helping us to avoid the index situation, and it will provide the new index situation. So if I will run here, if you can see here, so it is run vertically, it added the data vertically, and it has provided the index newly indexed, right? Now we can add the data, we can use the concatenation by adding the data horizontally also. So we need to mention the axis equals to 1, and if I will do here, you can see here the other data set is added horizontally. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. I'm requesting you guys to subscribe my video and watch all of the playlist videos. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you.